So I hope you all enjoyed that good look around at the North East show. Can I just say, how good is it that a Hawfinch has won Best in Show? That's fantastic. I've not seen anything really other than a Greenfinch or a Red Poll win Best in Show before at a specialist show, because they are one of the more developed exhibition birds in the native bird world. We obviously saw a Parrot Crossbill win the Yorkshire, and now we've seen a Hawfinch win the North East. So absolutely fantastic. Can I just say as well, big thanks to everyone at the North East for running the show. Really enjoyed it. It was an early start for me. I left here about 5:30. It's about a 2.5 hour trip north for me, so it's a very long way, but not as far as it is for the Dagenham lads. Big special shout out to them. They made a nearly, I think it was 600-mile round trip to the North East show and back, coming all the way down from London. So fair play to you lads. It's great to see you travelling across the country to support all the various shows. And yeah, really did enjoy the North East show this past weekend. So you might be wondering, how did I get on this weekend then? Well, thank you for asking. We did very well. It was some very competitive novice classes once again. A good number of novices who I've not met before from the North East and down from Scotland. So it was a really competitive novice section, and it made it even more rewarding to come away with the specials that I did. 4 birds, we come away with 6 specials. So let's take a look at them, shall we? Along with winning these special awards then, I won some beautiful rosettes to hang up and display in the bird room that we can add to our collection. So I'll be getting all my rosettes displayed that I've won this past year and previously in the bird room somewhere at some point this winter. We also won some custom North East British Bird Mule and Hybrid Club whisky glasses. So massive thanks to everyone at the North East for sorting those out. And finally, one thing I did want to mention, you can see this Greenfinch that I bred here 2 years ago. He's been to 4 specialist shows this year and won Best Novice Hardbill or better. So he's on some flying form at the moment. So next up, him and the rest of the show team will be going out to the All British Show at Walsall on the 17th of December. So keep your fingers crossed for us. Anyway, everyone, that's it from me for this week's episode from OC Avery at the North East British Bird, Mule and Hybrid Club show. So I really hope you've enjoyed it today. So the next couple of weeks, we haven't got any shows at the weekends that I can make it to, but then we've, of course, got the All British show on the 17th of December. So a couple of different episodes will be back in the bird room. We've got a certain species of bird that is back in the bird room after a couple of years' absence. So that's something you can look forward to. So if you'd like to see that and more from OC Avery, then please make sure to subscribe down below. That would be very much appreciated. Smash a like on it if you have enjoyed today, and make sure to follow us on social media, Instagram and Facebook, for daily updates and behind the scenes footage of all of our birds. Now, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.